Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have an aircraft pulling a high-speed maneuver at 7 Gs. We have a pilot with 80 kilograms in mass. Find the force exerted on the pilot. So this is a F equals ma question. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Next, list all the given values and the unknown. This will help you figure out the formula. Step 2, find the formula for force. So force is equal to mass times acceleration. Step 3, find the force. So it's 80 kilograms multiplied by 7 multiplied by gravity. So 7 Gs represents 7 times the gravity. And then we multiply by the conversion factor, 1 Newton per 1 kilogram meter per second squared. And that will give us 5,493.6 newtons of force exerted on the pilot. Before you leave, I encourage you to save this on your PC, this video. So I'm sure you're familiar with snipping tool. If you're not, just follow the steps. So click on snipping tool. You can find this in your Windows search bar, and then click on the video option, click on new, then left click drag the rectangle on the YouTube screen, and then click the start button in the top middle of your screen, then hit the replay button. Once the video is finished playing, just hit the red square to stop recording and then save the video. Like and subscribe if you want to support me, become a member, or drop a super thanks. Share this with your friends because this is not in the textbook, so they won't be able to find it. If you have questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.